What is Yoruba spirituality? Yoruba spirituality is a rich and ancestral tradition originating from the Yoruba people of Nigeria. It focuses on the relationship between the divine, humanity, and the natural world, providing a framework for understanding, existence, community, and personal growth. Yoruba spirituality is significant as it offers insight into the interconnectedness of life and guides practitioners in their spiritual journeys. When approaching this tradition, it's essential to do so with an open heart and mind. Honor the customs, beliefs, and practices of Yoruba spirituality to fully appreciate its depth and beauty. This presentation aims to provide a safe and informative introduction for beginners interested in exploring the fundamental aspects of Yoruba spirituality. Key concepts in Yoruba spirituality. We have Orishas. Orishas are divine beings that represent natural forces and human qualities. Each Orisha has a unique role and personality, guiding practitioners in their lives. They serve as intermediaries between the divine and humanity, offering wisdom and support. Ancestral connection. In Yoruba spirituality, ancestors are revered and play a vital role in the spiritual lives of practitioners. They provide guidance and support, creating a bridge between the past and the present. Honoring ancestors foster a sense of belonging and continuity. Ashe. Ashe is a vital life force that animates all things. It represents power, energy, and creativity. Understanding the concept of Ashe is key to engaging with the spiritual world and harnessing the energy needed for rituals and practices. Practices and rituals. Common practices in Yoruba spirituality. 1. Divination. Tools like the Ifa divination system help practitioners seek guidance from the Orishas. Divination is a way to connect with the divine and gain insight into personal challenges and decisions. 2. Offerings. Offerings include gifts of food, drink, and symbolic items made to Orishas. Each offering carries specific intentions, reflecting gratitude and request for assistance. 3. Ceremonies. Ceremonies involve music, dance, and community participation to honor the Orishas. These gatherings strengthen community bonds and reinforce cultural identity. Every practice is inspired with meaning. Understanding the symbolism behind rituals enhances the spiritual experience and allows practitioners to engage more deeply. Respect for tradition. It is crucial to learn and follow the proper ways to perform rituals. This respect honors the culture and teaching of Yoruba spirituality. The importance of ethics. Core ethical principles. Respect. Acknowledge the divine and the interconnectedness of all beings. Respect is fundamental in all interactions. Integrity. Act with honesty and authenticity in your dealings with others and yourself. Integrity fosters trust and strengthens community ties. Compassion. Foster kindness and understanding towards others. Compassion enriches relationships and promotes harmony. Guidance for practitioners. These values shape how practitioners engage with themselves, others, and the world. Upholding these principles is essential for a fulfilling spiritual practice. Interconnectedness. Understanding that all beings are related is vital in Yoruba spirituality. Living in harmony with others and the environment is essential for spiritual health and well-being. So, Yoruba spirituality is rich with meaning and practices that connect us to the divine and our ancestors. Respect, ethical conduct, and a genuine desire to learn are crucial as we begin this journey. I encourage you to continue exploring Yoruba spirituality. There is always more to learn and experience, and each step deepens your understanding. This presentation provides a comprehensive overview of Yoruba spiritual practices, ensuring that beginners have a solid foundation to build upon as they explore this rich tradition. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the Super Thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Get a better life.